All right, hey class. We are going to start doing some of our first playing of the guitar. What I'm going to do is, hopefully your guitars are in tune. If not, I'm going to play each of my 6 strings, which I just tuned up before each of these, and you're going to want to try and tune yours to mine. So the names of the strings are super important to get down. E, A, D, G, B, E. And a lot of times in music, there's little memory things that we do to help us remember what the names of the strings are. A really common one with this one is Eddie, 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. Okay, so there's 2 E's, so there's Eddie in there twice. E, A, D, Eddie, 8, Dynamite, G, B, E, Goodbye, Eddie. So I'm going to start with my low string, and I want you to play yours right after mine. And if it sounds like it's the same note, then we're pretty good. If yours sounds a little bit low or high, then you adjust the string tuner a small direction, clockwise, counterclockwise, less than half a turn always. Your guitars will not be that far out of tune. But there's your low E, if you want to tune to me. A, again, A to tune. D, G, B, B again, and high E. If you are trying to tune your guitar and you move your tuner up here and it doesn't change pitch, that means your hand is on the wrong tuner, always. That's what it always means. Your hand is on the wrong tuner, so stop turning it. What happens is you'll turn and you'll turn and you'll break a string because you're tuning the wrong thing. So there is our notes, and in our future Etude videos, we'll go through that a lot quicker. The only string that we're playing for the first week or so is the high E string. That's the one that we want to make is super good in tune. And as you look at exercise number 1, and we're looking at Hal Leonard on page 8, Hal Leonard book, page 8, we've hopefully gone through those teaching videos that talk about FACE is in the spaces, and EGB, DF are the lines. So we've got to learn notes. We've got to learn notes and what they're called, how they work. So if you look at notes on the first string on page 8, you can see the E is it says open string on your high note, and it's in those spaces FACE. And I'm going to put this down real quick and show you where we're looking. So right here, this note is an E. It's those spaces spell face, and it's the high open string there. The next note over is an F, and it's our first finger. First finger to play an F, and then the third one is a G, and it's played by the third finger. So the only notes we're going to learn right now are E, F, and G. Okay. Hopefully, this will take some time, but once you learn notes, you'll know them forever, and it's a great skill to have. So we're going to play open E. That's no fingers on the fretboard, just an open string like that. We're going to put our first finger, our pointer finger, in the first fret box, and we put it right behind the fret is an F. We're skipping the middle finger, and we're going up to the third finger in the third fret box, and it goes right behind the fret. If I'm back here, it's going to sound like this, but if I move it forward, it starts to speak nice and clearly. So back here, move it forward, okay? So we have E, F, and G. Those are the only notes we're going to play for this first exercise. And if you look at number 1, they're whole notes, and those mean they get 4 counts. They're just the O. So not only do we have to worry about where the notes go on the staff, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, but also how long they are. And these start as whole notes. And we're just going to play the first 3 etudes. This video will be called Etudes 1, 2, 3, and that's what we're going for. So these start on whole notes, which are 4 counts. And so we're going to play, and you want to listen to me play it once, and then we'll do it again where you can play with, and then obviously you can rewind this video as many times as you want. So exercise number 1, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll play it for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. First finger on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third finger. 1, 2, 3. Taking the third finger off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, mute. Okay, let's try it together. Open, first finger, third finger. That's all we're doing. Okay, here we go. Etude number 1. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Open, 2, 3, 4. First, 2, 3, 4. Third, 2, 3, 4. First, 2, 3, 4. Open, 2, 3, 4. Good. And the other way we can do this is we can say the notes that we're playing. And I'd like you to speak along. It feels weird to use your mouth sometimes when we're playing the guitar to talk the note names, but it's a great way to get it inside your brain. So please say it with me as we play it. So we're going to say E2, 3, 4, F2, 3, 4, G2, 3, 4, F2, 3, 4, E. So we're playing open E first. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. E, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4. Good. And one further way we can talk about it is we can say what fingers we're playing with our left hand. So we can say open 2, 3, 4, first 2, 3, 4, third 2, 3, 4, first 2, 3, 4, open 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you need some more help with number 1, rewind back a few minutes and we can go that. We're moving on to number 2. It's the same notes as number 1, but now we're half notes. So we had that O that makes a whole note, 4 counts, and now we're adding a stem to it that comes down, which gives us 2 counts. So we're going from 4 counts to 2 counts. So listen to number 2. 1, 2, ready, go. E, E, F, F, G, 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 F, E. Again, 2, ready, go. Open, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, open. Watch this again if you need to see how those go with the half notes. Moving instead of 4 counts on a whole note, we're moving 2 counts on a half note. And now number 3, we have the O for a whole note, then we added the stem to make it 2 counts. Now we fill in the head to make 1 count. So number 3 is 1 count per. So take a listen to exercise number 3. 1, 2, ready, go. Open, 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 open. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, open, open, open. Or if we wanted to say note names, say that with me. We're going to start saying E, 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 F, 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 F. Here we go. Number 3, we're going to play it, and we're going to say the note names. 1, 2, ready, go. E, 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 F, 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 G, G, F, F, E, E, E. Good, so those are exercises 1, 2, and 3 in the Leonard books. Watch them as many times as you want to start getting down those note names, and once you feel good, our next one will be exercises 4, 5, and 6.